Hey, this is Samantha here from RecipeThis.com and the voice behind the popular Kitchen Gadgets podcast, Magic with Gadgets. Today I wanted to show you just how easy it is to cook TGI Friday's frozen mozzarella sticks in the air fryer. Before we dive into this recipe, please note that we've got 1200 plus more kitchen gadget recipes over at RecipeThis.com, including recipes for the air fryer, instant pot, slow cooker, soup maker, bread maker, and many others. Well, this is a new thing for me, and that's because moving back to England, we've got TGI Friday's range, Iceland, and we've had the opportunity to try the mozzarella sticks, which we absolutely love. So now we're going to show you how to do a box of them in the air fryer. So they come in some nice packaging, which is wonderful because we find the breading can fall off of it and make your air fryer really dirty. So you can kind of shake it off as you load them all into your air fryer basket. And just go with however many fit in your air fryer basket. And that's how many you get from one box. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10. Which we've done 1.5 boxes at once, and you can easily fit that in the air fryer basket as well. But I suppose it depends on the size of your air fryer and how many people you're feeding. If you wanted to have a lovely TGI Friday supper, you could use half a box, do some of the jalapenos as well, and a few of the other things. And then place the basket in. And then turn on your air fryer. You are looking for a temperature of 180 Celsius, that's 360 Fahrenheit, and a cook time of 8 minutes. This will ensure that the cheese is lovely and melty, whilst if you just wanted them cooked, 6 minutes would be suffice. And we've beeped. Wow, these are just cooked TGI Friday mozzarella sticks. They're absolutely amazing. And if you have a look, the cheese is starting to come out of them, but they've not quite exploded, which is what you want when you're doing air fry mozzarella sticks. And I'll show you in a minute or two what they're like, but they're way too hot for me to handle just yet. And this is one of the mozzarella sticks. I absolutely love mozzarella sticks, and I'm impressed by this. Look at the cheese in the middle of these. Isn't that lovely? I could eat mozzarella sticks every day. They're just one of my favourite foods. And you know, the TGI Friday, I think, are much more delicious than the other ones I've previously shown you to do in the air fryer, which were just a cheap supermarket brand. But TGI Friday really does know how to do the frozen produce, and I can't wait to do some more. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the Recipe This family. You can find us on Twitter, Facebook and Pinterest. We also have a weekly newsletter at recipethis.com/newsletter, where we share with you our latest kitchen gadget recipes, what we're cooking in the Milner kitchen, and so much more. As well as this, we recommend that you subscribe to our YouTube channel, and then whenever we have a new video, you will be the first to know. And if you want to know about all our future videos, then I recommend you hit the bell for instant notifications. But even better, we now have a podcast. It's called Magic with Gadgets. Simply search Magic with Gadgets on your favourite podcast player and you'll find us there.